Welcome to Digital Nuclei. Today we will explore a step-by-step tutorial to generate captions on the video using the power of artificial intelligence. Watch the complete video to know some interesting AI hacks in video editing. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, open any browser and type www.capcut.com as displayed here. Now you can sign up on the website using various options provided by the website. Here I am signing up using Gmail. Now click on New Video to start with a blank project. Let us now upload the desired video by clicking on Click to Upload. You can select video from desktop, Google Drive or Dropbox. After the upload is complete, go to the captions. Get many options here. Let's explore them one by one. In manual captions options, you can write the subtitles yourself. You can add or delete according to the timings. Using the next option of upload caption file, you can upload the SRT or TXT file containing the subtitles if you already have them. In the next option of auto generate lyrics, if your video contains songs, you can click on generate to get the lyrics from speech to text. So we will now see the most important option, which is auto generate captions. Click on generate based on your language. And boom, your captions are ready in just a single click. You can edit the subtitles which have minor errors. You can delete particular lines if you don't like them, or click on merge to merge two subtitles. To design how they look, there are many preset or pre-designed options. Let's try them out. I'm selecting some of the styles that are most commonly used in viral videos. You can select basic options from side panel to design the subtitles manually. It includes setting fonts, color, size, position and opacity, etc. Now let's move on and see how you can translate the subtitles to other languages. Click on the bottom translate symbol and select from language and the target language. Here I have base language English and I am translating it to Hindi. And there you go. Your Hindi translations are ready in just a click. Let's shift them here and enjoy. You can export your subtitles from the bottom options in SRT and TXT formats and replace some common errors from entire subtitles at once. Let's now see some interesting AI hacks. In a video without any sound based on the subtitles provided, you can add AI generated voice from these options. You can also generate AI generated avatar reading out your subtitles here and make a complete faceless YouTube or Instagram channel. That's all for today. Please share the video with your friends and subscribe to the Digital Nuclei. Share your experience of using CapCut. Thank you.